In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 2, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open system, and the first step is to activate the developer options. So now you just have to click on about phone, scroll down a bit, and here under software information you will find build number. So you just have to click on it 7 times, just like that. Now enter your pattern if you have one, and you've just activated developer options. Let's go back to the previous screen. And as you can see, developer options appeared under system. Now smoothly open developer options, and here scroll down and look for demo mode. Or if you are less patient, as I am, just tap over here and enter demo. And here it is, system demo mode. Let me click on it. So if you'd like to activate it, just click, and you can smoothly enable demo mode by tapping on enable demo mode. And if you'd like to show it, you can also activate this switcher. It's up to you, but I will leave it this way. And now, or maybe let me show you how it works like this. And now you can use your device in demo mode. Then you can turn it off the same way, smoothly open developer options and turn it off. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.